Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the other effects of global warming. So this topic is from lesson number 5, that is global climatic change for standard 11th for geography as well as for art students. So let us start with the topic other effects. The two videos are already uploaded which are based on the introduction of global climatic change. The second video is uploaded which is based on global warming and what are the effects of global warming, and now we are going to see some other effects of global warming. Okay, so because the earth is warming up, some other indirect effects are also seen, and some of them are as follows. So the first indirect effect is around the world the jellyfish seems to be reproducing heavily and congregating in the places where they were never seen before, and this is happening because of the warmer waters and the changes in the acidity level of the ocean. So we can see that nowadays the jellyfish are being observed in lots of coastal areas. They release some poisonous substances which are harmful for human body, and they may lead to a big disaster. So because of increase in the global warming, the production, the reproduction, the process of increase in the jellyfish is seen, and they are available at so many places as the production or reproduction is more. So hence, this is also because of the global warming. Why? Because the global warming increases the temperature. There is the rise in the temperature which makes the water warm, which makes the water hot, and this changes the acidity level of the ocean. And when the acidity level changes, there is an increase in the reproduction of jellyfishes. Next is spread of insects in river region. Okay, so we all are aware that there are various diseases which are spread because of insects like dengue, like malaria, like chikungunya. Okay, all these diseases are basically spread by mosquitoes. So nowadays, even this is a big concern to the human health. So global warming will apparently increase the number of mosquitoes. Adult mosquitoes prefer higher temperature and wet conditions to breed, and in areas where the temperatures are now rising higher than the areas mosquitoes are thriving and the disease like dengue are spreading. So the mosquitoes, they prefer the hot climate to breed, okay, to increase their production. So during the hot and the high temperature, wherever there is some wet conditions on such type of climatic conditions, the mosquitoes, they start replicating, they start making or reproducing themselves, and because of that there is large amount of diseases like dengue which are spread by mosquito, like malaria which are spread by mosquitoes, as well as chikungunya spread by mosquitoes. So even this is an indirect effect which is due to global warming. Next is coral reefs. Now what are the coral reefs? Coral reefs are nothing but whatever colorful plants, animals which you observe. It is just an colorful algae which you observe on the ocean floor inside the sea. Okay. So when the temperature is changing, the coral throws out the algae living in their tissues. These algae are responsible for their color. An increase in 1 degree to 2 degrees in the ocean temperature for a long time can lead to bleaching, turning of coral whites. Okay, so what happens many a times, the algae, they stay on these coral reefs. Okay, but when the temperature changes, when the temperature is increasing, these algae, they start leaving the coral reef. Okay, they start leaving that coral plant, and when they start leaving the coral plant, the plant gets leached off. Okay, means as if a bleaching is done on it and it has loosened its color. Okay, so it gets totally white. Okay, white in color. If the corals are bleached for prolonged periods, they eventually die. So when the algae, they stay on these corals, the coral reef survives for longer period. But if the algae, they move away from the coral reef, they get bleached off, they get turned into white color, and they cannot survive for longer period of time. So coral bleaching leads to the death of large amount of corals more than one-fifth of the coral reefs are already lost. So one-fifth amount of coral reef is already lost, which we have seen, and they are nothing but they are all the colorful plants. Whenever you see some oceanic video, you can see that on the surface of the ocean, you can see multicolored rocks on them, short bushes, short plants are grown, which have different colors. Those are nothing but those are the coral reefs. Okay. So this is all about the effects of global warming which we have studied in this topic. So these were the other effects which we have completed today. Now the next topic is regarding the climate change. We have other subtopics in that. So that video will be posted separately as it is a separate topic. So it will not be included in this. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel.